Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris Caravan or Chrysler Town and Country. We changed the engine computer. Yeah, well, the engine computer is located in this area here. Oh, sorry. The engine computer is located here. You see that the engine computer? That's a brand new engine computer. It's located there. And now we are trying to program it and then activate it, write the VIN number, brand new. When you put it the brand new first time, okay, you see here everything is okay. This one need a software update or software programming. You're gonna see flash powertrain control module, because either for update or if there is any problem with it, you see they have technical service bulletin for this code P035 P050B called start U lost communication with the body control module. Oh, so if you have this kind of code, lost communication DTC may be unsuccessful. Wow. So if you have this kind of car and you have that code, lost communication with the BCM, attempt to clear the DTC may be unsuccessful, garage shift engagement may be harsh. So they say that if you have this problem, you have to update the computer. Is that true? Let me see. I have a car with a U code, maybe that's one of them. Internal okay. Okay, if you have those code, maybe okay. So we have a U code dash journey. Okay. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna choose this one here. Be sure the battery is fully charged. I already pay for it. ECU replace. Okay. Set subscription. Continue. Yes. After you flash, write the VIN number. Start flash ECU. Turn the key off. It does that because he want to know that the key is off. System have to start it. والله ولدي بلين قمت بدري. بلين قمت بدري. شورك ده. شاي عليه. لوري يلا. دوكي لوك الداوي. 8 seconds left. Ignition on. Stabilize. Now we're gonna process it. Download. I supposed to have pre-diagnosed. In time should have. Yes. Hey, auto logger.
Howie told me to come see it.
All right.
Howie?
Howie, yeah,
Yeah.
next door. How are
Well,
you?
I'm a liquidator basically.
Would you?
So are you familiar
Yeah,
with these all
this,
in one?
yeah,
You go online right now. They go for about $39.99.
okay. So you see here, and we are 30 something far. Please, this is Chrysler website. In order for you to do this work here, you must have at least for one car $121 standby to buy the software and to start do the calibration. If you don't have it, it will not work. Also, I see here a code. It said no bus. Your connection, no, I don't believe. You temporarily interrupted. If no, that's no good. You must be sure that you have a good internet. That's why I brought the software here to download all what I need correctly, and it's going. Please subscribe, share, and like. Be sure that you have a charger, battery charger on it. And if you notice here, it's 41%. After that, you're gonna write down the VIN number, and you do the something called and you have to do something called throttle body relearn, and you're good to go. Stay with us, please. That's the part number. This is the old one. That's the part number. Okay, you see here we are going better. 56. It takes some time, so you just have to be patient. Okay, and you see here 05150778 Apple Boy, and then it's coming to 68206610 Apple K. Maybe this is a basic number.